watching all the couples play and wishing that he had someone too. And from his love came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that we could see the sky above and send me someone to love. Years of singing all alone turned his love into stone until he was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below, another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her love grew and grew because she believed his song was meant for her. Now she was so ready to finally meet him above the sea as he sang the song of hope for the last time. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that we could see the sky above the sand is someone to love.
There's more.
Rising from the sea below stood a lovely volcano, looking all around, but she could not see him. He tried to sing to let her know that she was not there alone, but with no love of his, someone was all gone. He filled the sea with his tears and watched his dreams disappear as she remembered what his song meant to her. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that we could see the sky above the sand, be someone to love.
Last one.
Oh, they were so happy to finally meet above the sea.